God. Oh my God. Can you see the flashing UFOs? Can you see them? 1, 2, 3. Look at them. I'm trying to record the fireworks, I'm not joking. Look at them. In the sky, I've just captured them on video. There's 2 apart. I've zoomed up as best I can. There you see the firework. The UFO's underneath. There was a third one, he disappeared. I thought it was the lights actually I'm recording, but it's not. Oh my God. There's 2, 1, 2. So there's 2 staying there. I'm recording. That's with the zoom all the way down. That's with the zoom all the way up. And he came out to look at the fireworks. As you can see it now flashing. There's the third UFO flashing, I'm not kidding. See, flashing back and forth, flashing back and forth. There he is, right above the mountain where the fireworks are going off. My God, I wasn't expecting this. It shocked me. There's 3 UFOs tonight. It's November the 4th, Saturday, 2017. October. They just come out with blue. Plus they've come to see the fireworks. I can't zoom anymore, I'm on the iPhone. But I'm not kidding. You can definitely see them. The lights underneath, they're quite small from here. I wish I had a better camera to zoom in. Typical. This is the second time I've caught one now, but this is actually the best one I've got. I need to stop recording soon, but I don't know how long they're going to be there for. They're basically over by the mountain, by the houses. Oh my God, can you see that? Oh my God, do you see the colours? That's amazing. That's amazing. Can you see that? It's red, you can see it red. It's flashing red like the fireworks now. Oh my God, that is amazing. I was not expecting this footage. Really excited to capture this. He followed them for so many years. Did you see that the firework went off red and then he went flashing red? There's only one that's flashing, the rest are stationed. That is amazing. Can't wait to share the video with everyone, see what you actually think. I just wish I could zoom in better, but unfortunately I can't. As I said, I'm on the iPhone. One's fading in now, one's fading in, one's stationary. He's fading, one's fading. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I'm so excited. Like I said, I only came out to see the fireworks with my neighbours. And just aim the camera anywhere and see what I can get, and definitely wasn't expecting this. I cannot go zoom anymore. Literally, I cannot zoom anymore. I'm on the maximum of on the iPhone. So I go up there, it's all dark. I'm not going to lose these. I've been recording now for about 6 minutes. and they're still around. One is gone missing at the moment. Probably cloaked himself. But he was actually the fun one, going around the others with the colours, which was red. If you look at them both, they're exactly the same shape. Got lights underneath, stationary. They're like a round shape. I've seen them before, but not as long as this. One's fading. My father's captured them before, but it's the first time for myself to actually capture them. Actually, first when I started recording, I thought, yes, it's the lights. We have lights on the mountain. But you can see that lights do not move red and move around and cloak in and out like that. And it's definitely not a plane. It cannot station itself like that. It's definitely not a helicopter, because that would have just whizzed past by now. Well, I don't know where the third one has gone. I've been recording for 7 minutes and 30 odd seconds. My neighbours are back. They'll be wondering what I'm doing now. But I can't not have this footage. One is going in. One is going in. One is going in. Fade in. Well, they stay in there for, I don't know what the reason for is. Maybe they want to see the fireworks, all I can say, because they've only just appeared since the fireworks have started. Maybe they like the fireworks. And they seem to be fading a bit more now, so I'm going to stop recording quite soon. But we've got some amazing footage, and hope you agree with me. Don't make things up lightly about UFOs. They're going further afield now. Well, one is, so he's coming back. I can't zoom anymore on the iPhone, unfortunately. Well, we're back to 2 now. And they seem to be going a bit further afield. It's just unbelievable. I just can't believe I got this. Really can't believe it. Sorry I'm babbling on, I'm just so excited to see it. It's like, God. Where's that other one gone then? Come on, mate. Show yourself so I can finish recording. Well, didn't get much fireworks as my neighbours, unfortunately, but I captured something completely different. So amazing. Right, 10 minutes recording. As I said, I'll have to stop recording soon. Can't record forever, they could be there a long time. Where's the other one? Come on, man. There was 3 of them, so why is the other one disappeared? Like I said, there's the houses down the bottom, and there's the UFOs above. There's 2 of them. One has actually disappeared. Oh, hang on. I think they're actually fading. for 11 minutes recording time. Can't zoom up no more, man. Can't zoom up no more. Really gutted. I haven't got my camera to zoom up. Would have had hopefully better footage. It's always typical when you're trying to take a UFO, which is unexpected. All this technology we got as well. You can actually see they're both exactly the same. They wouldn't just be sitting there if it was a plane or a helicopter, and certainly not a bird. They've got no lights on, they're not stationed. There's something there. So I'm just going to say it's a UFO. Because that's the only thing I can say. The way they move around, hover above each other, with the red colours above them. It's fascinating. Well, I'm going to record till about maybe 15 minutes. I'm on 12 now, see what happens. Then I have to knock it on the head. So I don't think they're going to do much more tonight. Just can't wait to get this footage up to YouTube and for you guys to have a look. See, tell me what you think, please. It would be most grateful. I'm in Tonna in a place called Neath, South Wales, and come out upstairs in my bedroom to take the fireworks, I know, because it's 4th of, not October, sorry, it's the 4th of November. I'm so excited. Sorry about that, it's the 4th of November. I did say October earlier on. I was just so excited to see this, and well, I got something, I think, guys. I think I've got something. 4th of November 2014 on a Saturday. Just gone 8 o'clock in the evening. Apologies if I said October earlier on. The months have gone so quickly, I've lost track. Well, they're going to be there for quite a long time. I'm going to stop filming on, well, when I get to 15 minutes. Sorry again if I babbled on. I'm just so excited to see what I'm seeing. It's unexpected, you know. Just wish that other one would come out. Come on. Well, that's it, guys. I'm going to stop recording now, 15 minutes. The other one, wherever it is, it seems to have cloaked itself and I can't see it. So I'm going to upload this to YouTube now and see what you guys think. And if you like leave some comments below, would be most appreciated, please. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.